This video is going to talk about systems of linear equations. What is it? What are solutions? And then talk about the different methods. So if we're going to talk about systems of linear equations, we kind of got to know what a system is. So a system of linear equations is two or more linear equations with the same variables considered at the same time. So where you're looking at two or maybe three different equations at the same time. One of the key things to note is that the number of variables should always equal the number of equations that you have in the system. So for example, if you look at the two that we have here, you have x plus y equals 4, and then x plus y equals negative 10. You have two variables, x and y, and you have two equations. Same thing with the other example, x plus y equals 2, and 3x plus 4y equals 7. Together that's a system. You have two variables, x and y, and you have two equations. So if you had three variables, you would need three equations. Four variables, you would need four equations. The number of variables should always equal the number of equations in the system. The solution to a system is all of the ordered pairs that are solutions to both equations. Since it's a system, the solution has to make both of the equations true at the same time. And typically, this is going to be a point of intersection where the two graphs intersect. A system of linear equations, though, can actually have exactly one solution where the lines intersect at a single point, no solution, and in that case, your lines run parallel, or you can have infinitely many solutions where it's actually the same line just defined in different ways so that one is on top of the other and they touch basically at every individual point. And we'll take a look at that as we begin looking at the different methods for solving a system of linear equations. There are three primary methods that we use for solving a system of equations. One is graphing, two is substitution, and three is either the addition or sometimes it's called the elimination method. And honestly, it depends on some people like substitution better than they do addition. Graphing is probably the least accurate of the three, so it tends to be the one that we kind of omit and focus primarily on the algebra. We're going to take a look at all three methods in separate videos so that I have ample time to show you how to work through them.